For the past 28 years, you have trusted PC Locks and LocknCharge to develop the most innovative, secure storage, charging and transport solutions for your mobile devices. We estimate over 10 million devices around the world are now managed on a daily basis with one of these solutions, and we want to thank you, our partners and our customers for that. We have heard you say recently that you now see a new need for where these devices are, having visibility of who's using them, how they're being used, and are they available to be used for the next person. So over the past 5 years, we have been developing a smart locker solution to solve these exact problems. Today, we want to give that part of our business its own name and identity, and we're introducing ForwardPass by PC Locks and LocknCharge. It's not only a smart locker solution, it's an on-site device concierge. It acts as an IT team when your people can't always be there. It takes the manual tasks away to allow your IT teams to do the things that actually matter and bring value to your organization. ForwardPass? It's about time.